In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update and organize your Jira backlog efficiently. If you work in agile delivery, you already know that logging tasks is only part of the process. The real challenge is keeping your board clean, moving work through the right stages, and making sure important updates are visible to the whole team. When your board is organized properly, sprint tracking becomes much easier and your team can maintain better momentum throughout the development cycle. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your organization's Jira Cloud site, or sign in through the official Atlassian login page. Once you're logged in and the main dashboard has loaded, open your active software project so you can access its primary agile board. This is where you'll manage your sprint work and make your updates. After the board opens, you'll see your sprint columns usually arranged from left to right with statuses like to do, in progress, and done. To move a task, bug, or feature request through its workflow, place your cursor over the issue card you want to update, then click and hold it. Drag the card into the correct status column and release it there. This is one of the quickest ways to reflect progress in real time, and it helps the board stay accurate for everyone viewing it. Next, if you want to update the details of a ticket without opening a full page view, click directly on the issue key or issue card to open the detail panel on the right side of the screen. In that panel, you can update important fields like the assignee, the priority level, and the story point estimate. This is a fast and practical way to keep ticket information current while staying on the board. If you're moving quickly through several items, there's also a shortcut option. Hover over a ticket card and use the ellipsis menu or right-click the card if that option is available in your setup. A compact menu will appear, giving you quick access to actions like adjusting logging, reviewing dependencies, using integrations, or flagging an issue as blocked. This is especially useful during stand-ups or backlog reviews when speed matters. To reduce clutter and focus only on the work that matters most, use quick filters near the top of the board. You can also select the option that shows only your assigned issues. This helps narrow the view so you can concentrate on the most relevant cards without distraction. Before you finish, take a moment to scroll through your board and review the updates you made. Confirm that the issue, details, assignees, labels, and statuses all appear correctly and that everything is displayed clearly. That final check helps prevent confusion later and keeps your backlog in good shape. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.